Hey everyone, Meg here with I Teach Stamping, and today we are playing again with the January 2026 Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. I'm going to go through and I'm picking out a set of 6 different images. One of them is going to be 2 stamps to make 1 image, but you'll see that here in a bit. So I'm just taking a combination of images from both the stamp sets. One of them is called Stitched with Love Meadow, and the other is called Stitched Whiskers, and these are both included in your crew kit. So once we've got these all stamped, I'm going to go through and I'm going to do some coloring. I just stuck with the simple gray and pink color palette. I used my Olo markers. I used a lighter and darker of gray and a lighter and darker of pink. But of course, you can use whatever color medium you like. That's all your choice. Now, with your kit purchase, she does give you the Crafty Cuts, which is the SVG files for these, but I haven't quite mastered that, so I'm just going with my trusty old scissors. So we've done our stamping, we've done our coloring, and then once we've done our cutting out of our images or using our e-cutter, then we're ready to move on. And when we move on, we're going to be using this beautiful pattern paper. It's called Lovely as a Rose, and it's also in your Crafty Crew Kit. And I'm just using a postage type die for it. And then also with that die set is the white rectangles that correlate with the postage die. Okay, next we're going to stamp our sentiment, and this sentiment also comes from these stamp sets in the Crafty Crew Kit, and I'm stamping it on the rectangle that's going to go in the middle of our card. Just going to use a tape runner, and I'm just going to add all the rectangles onto that die cut pattern paper. I love the way this is looking already. I love that pattern paper. It is so pretty. We'll get all those lined up, and then we're just going to add our sentiment into the middle. Next up, we're going to be working on our card base. So I'm going to take my white cardstock, fold it in half, and then I'm going to use a bone folder to get a nice crisp edge on it. Once I'm done with that, then it's time to layer that beautiful layered background. Oh, I love it so much. Onto our card base, and then I've got foam adhesive behind all of my different elements, and I'm going to add those onto the card. So remember, with the Crafty Crew Kits, you either have to be a subscriber or you have to order by December 15th of 2025 in order to get yours. I love the way that this card comes together. I hope you enjoy it, and the link is in the description on where you can get yours. Have a great day!